Hello everyone, welcome to your own channel Quick Learn 360. I, Sapan Kesha, giving you all today a 15-minute Autodoc challenge. Complete the task within the 15 minutes and mention your time taken in the comment box. Also, after watching this video, give the answer to some simple questions and get appreciation certificate from Quick Learn 360. The link for the question is given in the description box below. So friends, before beginning, what you must be ensure that you must have this my presentation which I have given in the description box below. This presentation will assist you in following the steps given in the video. So download it and it will be helpful for you. Second, you must prepare a one folder containing this type of a supporting file which contains the link for Autodoc and Autodoc Vina. Now, how you can go for installing this Autodoc and Autodoc Vina? For that, I have prepared a separate video. You can go through that video and prepare such a type of folder. Second thing which you must have is one protein molecule for docking, and second the ligand molecule. Today, for our purpose, we have selected the 5-LOX enzyme as our protein molecule and a well-known aspirin molecule as a ligand. So friends, let's start the Autodoc challenge. The now time is 18:27. We'll start sharply at 18:30. You can see I have not done anything else before, so there is no any application which is open related with the Autodoc. Only this image file and second the PDF file is open. Okay, so we'll begin at 18:30. Okay friends, let's begin. First of all, open your Autodoc application. Now simultaneously go to your web browser and download the PDB file for the aspirin. So I'm using the drug bank for downloading the PDB file for the aspirin. Now type here aspirin and press enter. Now from this download tab, you can readily download the PDB file. Save as. Go to your C drive. In the C drive, I have prepared a one folder. The name is doc, D-O-C-K, and you can see there is nothing is saved in this doc. So let me save the file with the name aspirin, A-S-P-I-R-I-N. The spelling must be correct. Okay, so aspirin PDB is already available. So just replace. Next step, let me remind later. Now what you require the protein. For that protein, let me show you. I have selected 3V99 as my protein molecule for docking the aspirin. Now what is this 3V99? So 3V99 is a stable 5-LOX in complex with arachidonic acid. As you can see, what we are targeting today is a 5-LOX enzyme which is responsible for the conversion of arachidonic acid to leukotrienes, and that is responsible for allergy, inflammation and gastric damage. So if we inhibit this 5-LOX enzyme, then such a type of disease or disorder will not occur in our body. So now this is a stable 5-LOX enzyme in complex with arachidonic acid. When you go below and scroll down, you will see the arachidonic acid is bound to the A chain of the protein molecule. The protein composed of two chains, A and B. So B is not required. We are interested only in A chain, and the docking site is also available in the A chain. So what we'll do, go to our Autodock. We'll fetch this protein file directly from file, import, fetch from web and type 3V99 and press OK. Yes, so now you can see the protein has been fetched from the web. Now we are interested only in the A chain. So let us delete the B chain. Go to the select from string, the chain list, select the B chain, add. So it has selected the B chain, and now delete that B chain by deleting the selected atoms and press continue. Yes, now the B chain has been deleted. Now we are also interested in reviewing the arachidonic acid, because that is the site where we are actually going to dock the aspirin molecule. So go to the residue, select the ligand, add and dismiss. Now because of this, what will happen, the arachidonic acid is selected, and you can see this arachidonic acid, the selected portion in yellow is showing your arachidonic acid molecule, and we are not interested in arachidonic acid, but we are interested in the site where the arachidonic acid is bound. So let us label that site. Go to the display, label residue. So what will happen, the site is labeled, you can see here, site is labeled with the name ACD702. Now we will delete this arachidonic acid. So go to the edit, delete selected atom, press continue. Okay, see the arachidonic acid is being deleted. Now go to the edit, delete water molecule, go again to edit, add hydrogen. You always add hydrogen in a form of a polar only, because this polar hydrogen are only involved in a hydrogen bonding. Again go to the edit and go to the charges, add Coleman charges, press OK. Go to the edit, charges, compute Geiger charges, press OK. Now go to the edit, atom and assign AD4 type. Now go to the file, save as in a PDBQT format. Now the file is saved in with the name 3V99 in the same folder doc, and press OK. Okay. Now open the ligand. From this ligand, input, open, and here type aspirin. The aspirin PDB file, it is fetched from our doc folder. Where is this PDB? Where is this aspirin? Yes, now you can see the aspirin is present here. Okay. Now what you have to do, you have to save this ligand file, output, save as PDB QT. So aspirin will be saved as aspirin PDB QT. Now what is the next step? The next step is grid. Go to the grid, select macromolecule and choose your macromolecule 3V99. Select. And replace the existing 3V99. And press OK. Now again go to the grid and select grid box. Now you can see the grid box is selected and it is where it is actually directed. So grid box is actually positioned in this particular direction. Now where we want to place this grid box, you can place the grid box as it is here, but where we are actually interested, we are interested in this particular region. So let us move that grid box. Yes, in that portion. So what this movement will do, it will align the grid box in such a way that the grid box will be incorporating that region where actually the arachidonic acid has been bind previously. You can check out. Yes. Now please go to file, close, saving current. Again go to the grid, check whether it's a successful align or not. Yes, it's successful. Okay. Now next step is running Autodoc Vina. For that, what I have did, I have prepared a supporting file document. Just select all that supporting file by pressing Ctrl A, Ctrl C, and go to your C drive doc folder and paste Ctrl V. Now in that I have also prepared a conf file. In that conf file, the parameters what I have to set is of the grid box. So 40 40 40 that I have to, that already set, but what it is here 21.813. Just second minus 17.05, third minus 31.04. What is the file name is 3V99. What is our ligand? SP, and press file, save. It is saved the conf file. Now what is the next thing? Next step is I have prepared a shortcut for running the file command. Here also replace receptor 3V99 ligand as SP. Select it, converted portion. This file also I am going to place in the description box, that will be assisting you. Now open the command prompt. Now to give location, space cd space c /n DOCK. Press enter and Ctrl V and press again enter. So now you can see the Autodoc Vina is running. It is analyzing the site and giving you the scoring function. The time, it is a live, friends. No any manipulation has been done in the video so far. Yes, so now you can see the results are being obtained, and yes, we successfully did it. We have obtained a 1 RMSD value which is having 0.00 and the binding affinity is minus 5.6. So what it is giving you, it is giving you a docking score or binding energy of your aspirin for the RMSD 0.0 is 5.6. This file is also saved in your doc folder. You can see this is a log file which is obtained, and the log file contain your docking information. The same table which was given there in a command prompt is now also available here. And second, it is also giving you the output.pdbqt. You can check this output.pdbqt with various types of visualizer. 3 minutes still remaining, so let us show you how you can do so. I have a Discovery Studio visualizer. So open it. Ask me later. Go to the receipt tile again, interaction. Go to file, open, and in that go to your doc file, doc folder, and from doc folder take out the v99.pdbqt. Open. So it will open that portion of the 3v99 which we have selected for the docking. Press Ctrl C here. Again go to the file and open, and now open the output file. Yes, so it is getting an output from the same folder. So now in output file you can see the various conformations of your aspirin molecule. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to just place a right click, paste your protein molecule here. Now select define receptor. Now select the first conformation of your aspirin and select define ligand. And now after defining ligand, let me define ligand. Now after defining ligand, place ligand interaction and show 2D diagram. That's it. So now you can see your aspirin molecule, it is having a binding affinity with the target phyllox, and which amino acids of the phyllox are being targeted by the aspirin is leucine, phenyl, alanine, SAR, arginine, and ASN, asparagine. So that's it. We have completed the task within a manipulated time, which we said earlier, that is within a 15 minute. So that's a challenge to all of you. Do it within a 15 minute and post a comment in the description box below. We'll come back with such type of more and more interesting educational video and more challenges to all of you. Thanks a lot for watching this video and best of luck.